The 2026 Bentley Motorhome Camper is not just a vehicle, it's a moving statement of pure opulence. Imagine stepping into a motorhome that blends the refined craftsmanship of a Bentley with the freedom of the open road. Every inch of this masterpiece redefines luxury travel. From the outside, it's a work of rolling architecture, sculpted body lines, chrome accents, adaptive LED lighting, and a distinct Bentley grille that commands respect at every turn. But it's what happens when you open the soft close door that changes everything. Inside, you're welcomed by handcrafted leather seating, rich walnut trim, and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. A suede headliner wraps the ceiling like the interior of a private jet, while the floor is lined with sustainable, polished wood, both elegant and eco-conscious. The living area feels more like a designer lounge, complete with a retractable OLED TV, a minibar, and soundproof walls for absolute tranquility. The kitchen? It's not just functional, it's stylish. Brushed brass fixtures, a smart induction cooktop, marble effect surfaces, and a voice-controlled system that assists with lighting, temperature, and even recipe suggestions. Step into the bedroom, and you'll find a queen-sized memory foam bed surrounded by panoramic smart glass windows that dim on command. There's even a hidden safe, a walk-in closet space, and built-in fragrance infusion, so your journey always smells like success. Under the hood, Bentley has equipped this beauty with a twin-turbo hybrid V8, delivering whisper-quiet performance with raw power on demand. Air suspension ensures every ride feels like you're gliding across silk. It's smooth, responsive, and intelligent, thanks to AI-assisted driving and full auto parking capabilities. And yes, it's built for off-grid living too. Solar panels, a high-capacity battery system, and water purification tech let you roam far beyond the expected, without compromising comfort. And yes, this van can take care of you off-grid. Solar panels embedded in the roof charge a high-capacity lithium battery bank, while an advanced water filtration system keeps the supply clean for days. Safety? Of course. The 2026 Bentley RV is equipped with autonomous highway driving, 360-degree live surveillance, emergency assist, and an AI-powered co-pilot that learns your preferences over time. The price? Expect to start at $725,000 for the base model. With full customization, it can push past $1.1 million. But this isn't just a vehicle. It's a Bentley experience crafted for those who expect nothing less than perfection. This is the 2026 Bentley Motorhome Van Camper, where timeless craftsmanship meets modern freedom. And for those lucky enough to step inside, the road will never feel the same again.